Hi all, welcome to my channel QA Center Testing Hub. I will be starting with my next video in the series Java programs for interview preparation. So my current program today is for Fibonacci series. So everyone must be aware what is Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series basically is nothing but addition of the numbers in incremental orders. So it starts with 0, first number is 0, second number in the series is 1, so third number will be addition of the first and second, so it will be 1, fourth number will be addition of the last two numbers, so it will be 2, next number will be 3, similarly the next number will be addition of last two, so 5, and so on. So next number will be 8. So the series continues longer. So the program basically deals with taking the how many numbers I want to print in the Fibonacci series and accordingly display. So if you see here, I am having 7 numbers. So if I input 7, I will get this as the series. If I input 6, I will get this series displayed, and so on. If I enter number greater than 7, it will give one more number, that is the number 13 in the series. So I'm having just two parts in my program. I'm creating a class named Fibonacci. I'm creating a main method with first and the next value. So these two values I'm defining it in my program and assigning it to integer variable first and next. Okay, so I'm taking the input from the user, how many numbers are needed in this line of code, and storing it in n integer variable that is being defined. Thereafter, in the next line of code, I am printing uh, n numbers in the Fibonacci series. So I am displaying 0 and 1 here, and for the other numbers that the way they are calculated, the logic is being defined here. So I'm defining a integer variable I equals to 1, and I'm comparing it with n minus 2, that I is less than n equal to n minus 2. So the total number of Fibonacci numbers that I need is less than n minus 2, then it will go inside this loop and perform the operations. So let me explain you with with an example. So I will take this example only. I am having 8 numbers in all. So my n will be set to 8, and in this for loop it will look like this, that I is set to 1 and I will be compared with 8 minus 1. So since I is less than 6, it will go inside this loop and it will set the sum variable to 0. So first is 0, next is 1, so it will set sum to 1, and first will be next will be sum, so it will basically swap the two variables. So you can see it is printing the sum. So it will, since 0 and 1 is already printed, so it will print 1 now. Again it will go into this loop. I will be set to 2, so it will compare 2 is less than 6, so it will increment I to 3 and go inside this loop. So sum was 1, sum was set to 1 now, and sum is first plus next. Since next is 1 now and first is also 1, so sum will be updated to 2, and again first and next will be swapped, and accordingly the sum will be printed, so it will print 2. Similarly, this operation will continue until the end of the series, that is until this condition is satisfied, and it will come out of the loop and print these numbers. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I will also let you explain by running this piece of code. So it is asking for numbers, how many numbers I need in the series. So as I mentioned, I am entering 8 numbers. So see, it is displaying the same values in the series that I explained. So thanks all for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, subscribe and share, and have a good day. Thank you.